Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I am so excited about this video. This is my new design team package from Clique Kids. I will have everything linked in the description box below, but now I'm just going to take you through what's in each of the kits that I received. So the first one is a seasonal kit called Miracle on 34th Street. And this is by Fancy Pants Design. I can't tell you how excited I am for this kit because I just love holiday crafting, and these are just amazing images on these scrapbook papers. I can't wait to start playing with them and showing you the different ideas that are inspired. Like, look at this one here with the little tea set, and oh my gosh, it is so cute. And the patterns, like the double-sided patterns, are amazing. Look at this cute one with the little snowman and the tree. I'm thinking like, you know, the gingerbread cookies and that sort of thing. That's sort of what came to mind. I love that there's some florals in it as well, which is not something I often see in, like, you know, the holiday colors, which is so lovely. Then you've got the really cute little candy canes, and then again some of the florals on the back. So you can see what a lovely kit this is, and they put it all together for you. This is very useful, and this is, I think, my favorite right now is the words that we can cut out, because those are always so useful in projects. So it's nice to have a set of them. You will find Clique Kids links in the description box below, so check out their site for everything I'm showing you here. And I'll be definitely showing you more in depth of each kit as I work with them, so you know, you get to see what's included in everything. Look at this one here. Oh my goodness, I love it. So we have such a variety of papers and designs, and you know, even companies that are included. So they put it all together. It goes nicely together, and it's all coordinated together. Love that. So these are the stickers, and I really love the you know, the way that they've done the words with the different designs. Such a cute set. And I also love the bags that they come in. Now these ones, I was so interested to see what they were, because they're flowers, and I love already just how they look and just how lovely they are in color. But, you know, thinking again about the holidays, I wouldn't have thought about doing something like this, but now I'm really excited about adding something like this to some of my holiday crafts. So that is a really cute addition, I think, to this kit. And the next one here is these Fancy Pants little, I guess, journaling cards. So I will be taking some of these out because I know the glare sometimes is a bit much. So you can see what's included in here. And they are single-sided. And just look at the, oh, I love, this is such a great little journaling card set for maybe a recipe album, like a mini album. And it includes the tags and the labels. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I love these designs. I'm going to see if I can show you some pictures at the end as well of the pieces. Like, let's say I didn't show you everything in a kit, then like the ephemera, then I'll try and show some images as well. I love the decorative brads and some more of the chipboard pieces, it looks like there. So this one, if you can see, it has so many goodies in it. It's a Simple Stories collection. So these are simple stories that I've been showing you. And I just realized if I take them all out, I'll probably not be able to put them back in right away. So I will try and take a picture, like a still shot of all these spread out so you can see what's in it. And then it's got the enamel dots, which are also such a great addition. So I absolutely love this kit already. I'm so inspired. This next one I really was excited to see. It is a limited edition by Fancy Pants, and it is called Inspired by Olivia. And this is, I guess, Olivia Newton-John. So they did a few different kits inspired by, I guess, different artists. And I really love the colors in this kit. They can be used in any season, of course. Look at this design. So this is Memory Lane papers. If you have any questions about something that I've shown you and you'd like to know, just leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can with those answers. I know sometimes I flip through things and not realize that my excitement makes me go a little bit quicker than I should. And maybe you don't have enough time to see what I'm showing you. So again, all these are Memory Lane. And look at these patterns. Oh my goodness. And the paper is so thick. This paper is incredibly thick. I can't even tell you how lovely and thick this paper is. And then you've got this other design here. And I like the stripes on the back. And you can still see a little bit of like leaves poking through there. What a lovely collage. And look at the back is even nicer. This is what I find hard, my friends, is what side of the double-sided paper are we going to use, right? I try and kind of use both at some point, and so maybe I'll try and make different projects that I can feature both sides. And this one's got some like faint hearts in the back, and then you've got lovely postcards on this side. That is really nice to see. And then another collaged piece. Really, oh, and look at the birds and the florals. Wow, so much to see on this side. I like that little vintage garden at the bottom. I'll just leave this here to lay my rest of my pieces. So these are the enamel dots, which are always so useful to have. These are journaling cards again by Memory Lane. I'm in Canada, my friends, so a lot of these items are new to me. Those of you that are in Canada, I can tell you that you're missing out if you're not getting some of these items. I absolutely love them. And like I said, I will link everything below. I wasn't going to show you each piece, but now I'm thinking, you know what, I have to because I want to see each piece as I'm opening it. So the tags have the little punch outs at the top. And then you've got these just such lovely, journaling cards, such a variety. So this is such a great kit. Look at the bunny. Oh my goodness. Love that bird. And I love the words here as well. So useful. Look at this other little bunny. Adorable. You've got some labels. And look at these beautiful, like they look like artist trading cards, which is so lovely. And then this last one here. So I'm super excited about using these and, just creating with them. This is another, it looks like journaling cards as well, but these are double-sided. So, again, I have not, seen any of these before, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So you can see the one side has like that lovely leaf print on the back, and then you have it looks like the scrapbook paper designs kind of in a smaller journaling card, which is such a cute idea. And then these ones have like the nice blank space on the front with a little border. I always like that little extra touch. Some ladies. A little girl with her bonnet. Such a variety of pieces, and it's so great to they're very vintage inspired, and I'm so happy to see that. So I really love the vintage inspired feel. Definitely perfect for junk journalers like myself. And this is the Vintage Garden collection. So I'm not taking these out, but I will take a picture of them and show you after what is in each what is in this little package. And same with this one, because again, it comes with so many pieces. If I take them all out, I'll be here a while putting them back in. And I attempted to do so. but then I realized it might not work out. So yeah, so I'll definitely do the same here. And I'm trying to pull it out of the package so you can see without the glare all the pieces that are in here. Look at the bunnies and the little portraits and stuff. Really, really cute. And then we've got the stickers. I love stickers with any of these scrapbook papers. They're so fun to use in projects. All right, and the last one here is a sampler kit called Storyteller by Coco Vanilla. Loving the colors. Look at this one here with the different pieces to cut out. Love, love, love it. I can't wait to work with this kit. I was so inspired by all the colors and, you know, just everything that comes in it. It's nice to see what things look like, because I know on the, you know, on the website, when you look at things, you just sort of have images, but you don't get to see every detail of it a lot of the time. So I love to kind of go through it myself. And as I'm opening these up, I'm showing them to you. So I haven't seen them either as I was opening them. So I was quite excited about it. And like I said before, if you would like to know more details about something I showed you, if I went too quickly, please leave a comment below and let me know. Loving all the hearts. And then the back's got that nice little spots on it. And this like rainbow one is beautiful. And then you've got tiny little ones on the back. And here we are with the die cut ephemera. Again, you can see all the loveliness in that one. The floral ephemera. Look at these flowers. Oh my goodness. There are so many in here. This is such a great ephemera set. And again, I'll be showing you still shots of these after. The foam title stickers. And I like that these are black because, you know, it's easy to kind of spot them on top of any project. And you've got two sides to it, which is really nice. I love the print also on it, the script. The little hearts, there's 76 pieces in there. My goodness, and little dots as well. So enamel dots and enamel hearts. And then we've got this large sticker set. It feels nice and thick too, with the sentiments at the bottom. And then this one as well with the nice chipboard pieces. I'll be showing you a picture of those as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friends. Thank you for joining me. Links of everything will be in the description box below. And I can't wait to show you what I make with everything.